today we'll use this, the sound blocks. We'll use something. It will be the pop. You can make your own. So yeah, you can make your own. So yeah, you can create your own block by recording. So yes, yeah, you can create up to five. You only can create 5, but you have the record, so you can see it. And this, so there are only 5. But if you want more, you can delete them. So yeah. Sound blocks. So they're called pop. It plays a pop song. It looks like a bubble to me. Bubble pop. So when you create your own, it will play the one that you record, and you can read the blocks guide. So I hope it is fun and informative for you, and see you soon.